gotta be getting close.
There's a lot of line out there yet. I need to get one of those shirt cameras like police use.
Yeah.
Trying to do your business and take videos at the same time.
Oh yeah. Seems like I'm getting anywhere.
Yeah. Keep your rod tip up in case he pulls, and now we're there. The rod will take the.
I can see
Yeah, you see your line better also,
yeah,
but
now I can see it.
but the rod will take the shock if he jumps or.
Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah, he's coming. Oh, he's a nice one. Oh, a big one. Wow. Yeah. And wait. Well, wait.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Don't. Yeah. Don't reel any more line in.
Okay.
You're on a pretty short line. Oh, there we go. Oh, gee, oh man, that's a fat one. We'll get a picture of him here, but okay, yep, that's him. Okay.
I think I'll have